With fewer road fatalities in 2017 when compared to 2016, road safety officials are optimistic that several initiatives being rolled out this year will lead to even less fatalities. They're still concerned, however, about the safety of children and the standard of some vehicles being imported. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has more.
319 road fatalities in 2017. It's 60 less than 2016. And while the country did not go below the 300 target, it is welcomed news for the National Road Safety Council.
Every life saved is a major plus for the society and for the work of the National Road Safety Council.
A road safety retreat is scheduled for January 11, and Dr. Lucian Jones says the council will seek to craft plans for 5 to 10 years. The aim is to reduce road fatalities by half of the current average of well over 300.
We are looking more at about 151 deaths in a year. This is going to be a tall order. A number of things will have to be put in place. This year in 2018, we are looking at a major slowdown campaign.
There will also be a campaign targeting motorcyclists, especially in western Jamaica, where he insists is experiencing an epidemic with motorcycle fatalities. Researchers from the Johns Hopkins University will be in Jamaica for a year-long study. It will help provide more information to help improve Jamaica's road safety practices, especially as it relates to children. Plans are already underway for a safe zones for children, and a pilot project is in the pipeline.
We are hoping to achieve a situation where children going to school will go so at much lower risk than is presently obtained in our country.
With road crashes costing the country $3.2 billion annually, Dr. Jones says the council is closely monitoring not just driving habits, but also the quality and standard of cars being imported, especially those in the public transport sector.
A couple of years ago, we had a spectacular crash on the Mandela where a car broke in half after colliding with another car and burst into flames. So these concerns have been around for some time now, and we want to make sure that those cars that we're importing for the Jamaican public are safe cars, and therefore when a car crashes or goes on the side, it doesn't break into several pieces and it doesn't burst into flames.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.